Hi guys, so my fiance is back from work today and he brought me presents. I got this and this, so I'm just gonna open it up. Oh, that's pretty. Oh wow, it's like a light. It's like a jar, right? And it lights up. See? Changes color too. That's so cute. I like that. He's Santa Claus today.
I want that cookie jar filled though.
Okay. And my nice flowers. Aren't they just beautiful? So cute. I feel like it's Christmas. And Timmy's. Ooh, my favorite Danish. Yay! It's Christmas for me now. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.